Dear viewers, today I am going to show you how to fill a letter with text. First of all, take a new document, go to File, New, and set the profile to Web. Then click OK. Now select the Type tool from toolbar and click on the artboard. Type any letter or number you wish. Take it highlighted. Select one of the bold font and increase the size. And move the letter center of the artboard. To fill the letter with text, go to Object and click Expand. Make sure the Object and Fill mark and click OK. Again, go to Object, select Compound Puff and choose Release. Now go to the toolbar and select the Type tool and click on the path. Let's change the font size to 10 point. If you wish, you can use a different size of text. Now you can type your text in the letter, or if you want, you can copy and paste it from Notepad, internet page or Microsoft Word document. Just go to the text page, select all text and press Ctrl C to copy. Next, click on the artboard, press Ctrl V to paste. To fill nicely the text in letter, open the paragraph window, select all text and click Justify all lines.